Hello everyone. I have purchased this new motorcycle Honda Highness 350 and it's more than 1 month I have purchased this, and today I am going to tell you 15 reasons why I chose this motorcycle over other competitors. Everybody knows this motorcycle is on the same lines as the Royal Enfield Bullet and Classics, and I also wanted to purchase a 350cc motorcycle, and when I saw this motorcycle then I went for it. Now I'll tell you why. What were those reasons which made me choose this bike over the other bike? So the first reason is its looks, and when I saw it first time in the showroom, I was absolutely floored by the looks, and especially this color variant, that is blue and white. It's not that the Royal Enfield is not beautiful, but I especially liked this. And no matter how much you see it in any picture or video, you'll never be able to judge the looks unless you see it yourself. It's really very good. I recommend you to go and have a look at the showroom or to any person who has this. The second reason why I chose this is the bike's ergonomics. When I sit on this bike, my shoulders are relaxed, my hands are relaxed. It feels so comfortable to drive this bike. So the third reason is one of the most important reason why I chose this bike, and that is maneuverability. So when I took a test ride of this bike, I found that to maneuver this bike was much easier than maneuvering Royal Enfield. Whenever we drive Royal Enfield, we are like a little bit stiff. But when I drove this bike, it was like any other 150cc or 110cc bike, and maneuverability was so easy. I never felt like I am riding a heavy bike, a 350cc bike. So that really sunk in me, and I liked it so much. The fourth reason is its LED headlights. So while Royal Enfield, it has got halogen headlight, it has got all LED headlamp, and because this era is of LED lights, so this reason was also very important. Fifth reason is the tubeless tires. It has got tubeless tires, while Royal Enfield still it is going with tube tires, and I know many people, they change the tube tire into tubeless tires later and incur some cost, while here we are getting out of the showroom a tubeless tire. The seventh reason is this gear changer. In Royal Enfield and other bikes, we have just this front shaft, and we have to lift this front shaft while changing the gear. This causes a mark in the shoes, while this has got both the pedals, the front and the back, so we don't need to lift it up, and it does not spoil the shoes. The eighth reason for purchasing this bike is the power and torque. Although it has got 350cc as the Royal Enfield, but it has got slightly more power and slightly more torque on paper. But when I actually drove both the motorcycles, I found out that the pickup of this bike was much more than Royal Enfield. So I really like that thing. Now coming to ninth reason, I really like its exhaust note. So exhaust note is not like Royal Enfield. It's not same as Royal Enfield, but it's very much, I like it. And when I drove this in last 1 month and over again, I started liking it much more. Now the 10th reason of this motorcycle is it has got a bigger fuel tank. It has got 15-liter fuel tank, and 11th reason, it has got more mileage. So the next reason for purchasing is its bigger tank. It has got 15-liter capacity, which is more than other motorcycles which either have 13 or even less than 13-liter capacity. It also has better mileage in spite of being 350cc and more power and torque. It still gives more than 35. What I am getting, I'm telling you what I am getting, more than 35. I have driven last 1 month and only few highway drives have been there, and mostly I'm driving inside the city. I'm still getting more than 35 km per liter, and if you combine this better mileage with more tank capacity, it gives absolutely awesome range. 35 into 15, it gives in between 500 to 600 kilometer of range once the tank is full. So you need lesser frequent visit to the petrol pump, and that's really another very important and safety feature in this motorcycle is whenever its stand is down, the motorcycle automatically switches off. I'll just show you how this happens. So I started this motorcycle. Presently the gear is in neutral and I'll change the gear. Now it is in gear 1, and the moment I put this stand down, the motorcycle will stop on its own. So it's very important safety feature that whenever this stand is down, the motorcycle will automatically switch off, and even you cannot start the motorcycle. Whenever the stand is down, you cannot switch on the, you cannot start the motorcycle. So this stand safety is very important feature which is there in this bike. Next feature is I was looking for a all metal motorcycle in retro style, and this is all metal. There are no fiber parts in Royal Enfield Meteor. These fenders, these were of fiber, while every part in this motorcycle is all metal. These are made up of steel. The next very important reason I bought this is this motorcycle has got zero vibrations. Even the latest 350 classic Royal Enfield, it doesn't has the zero vibration, although they have reduced it much, but it has got absolutely zero vibration, and that is really very good point, because people who go for long drives or who commute for longer duration every day, they have got slight problem of developing back pain and other things because of the vibrations. And because this bike has got zero vibration, so there is no danger of any such thing. Next reason is its clutch. In this motorcycle we get a slipper clutch, which is very easy to press. It doesn't strain your fingers at all, and you can press it as many times as you want. So this slipper clutch is also very useful. Now the next point is it has got very tall gears. So in one gear you have got wide margin of speed which you can manage. So you really don't need to frequently change your gears. So these tall gears are helpful even in highway rides, because although it has got maximum 5 gears, but even that 5 gears you can't engage it below 80. Up to 80 you can manage with 4th gears, and only after 80 you will require 5th gear. So because of these tall gears, it gives a better mileage. Now the next I liked about this bike is its display. We have got so many information on this display. The first is fuel. So this E is showing the fuel, and we are always aware how much fuel is left in the tank, and not like other motorcycles, when the fuel we only know when it goes below critical level, and we then need to immediately rush to the petrol pump to fill it up. And another very important thing in the display is the time. I have found this very usable, very useful, because whenever people are going to office or anywhere where they have to reach in time, they don't need to see their watch again and again. They can just see the display and they will know the time. mileage 35.1 average, and it's also showing the range. So 209 kilometers more I can go with this much of fuel. The other good thing it shows is the voltage of battery, so you are aware that how much your battery is capable of, and this is the total kilometers which has been driven. So all these displays are really good. It can also be connected to the mobile, and you can navigate through also this. I have not tried this till now, but that navigation feature is also in this. The next very important feature is whenever you go on the traffic, you are waiting on the traffic light and your bike engine is on, you can just switch it off from here and you can save fuel, and whenever the signal is going to be green, you can just press it and it starts. So this feature can be used for saving fuel, and it is very useful. And the last important point why I purchased this bike is the brand Honda. I have been driving Honda bikes since very long times, and I have found out that the Honda bikes, they are absolutely problem free. There are never any glitches. I think they do a lot of refinement, they do a lot of research and testing before they finally launch a product in the market. And this product is also the same. In 1 month I have completely started loving this motorcycle, and wherever possible I use this motorcycle for going. Now the next thing I am going to see. So this is all about this bike. Whatever I felt, I have told you, and if you got any query, any question, you can ask me in the message. And if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and you can like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.